Hi, it's spring and it's time for Easter projects. We will be making this cute little egg basket. The download link is in the description. One SVG file for Cricut and one Studio3 file for Cameo. Upload the SVG file to Design Space. Here are all the elements. All the elements fit in 12 by 12 cutting mat. The scoring lines will be cut as dotted lines. The biggest one here is a basket base. 2 handles with blue decorative panels. Here are egg holders, 2 green grass pieces, flower in 3 colors to make 5 flowers. All we need to do is to click Make It to cut. To make more flowers, right-click and choose Ungroup. Select flowers only. Just gonna move those away. Select the flowers, right-click and group. On the right-hand panel, the flowers are in one group. If you want to cut the basket first without the flowers, just click the eye icon to hide the flowers. When click Make It, the flowers won't be included in the prepared layout. To cut flowers only, select the rest of the elements and group them. Turn off the new group and turn back on the flowers group. The default setting here makes 5 flowers. Right-click to duplicate to make more. I will use default design in this video. Turn back on all the elements and send to cut. Here are all the cutouts. The biggest piece is the basket base. These 2 are the basket handles. They are egg holders. The blue ones are decorative elements. 4 for the sides of the basket, 2 for the handles, 2 grass, and 5 sets of flowers in 3 different colors. Alrighty, let's hop to it. Get the basket base and the 4 panels for the sides. They will be going here on the sides. All the folding lines are cut as dotted lines. Just need to flip it over, fold along the lines upward. Flip it back and fold the top line here towards you. Same as the rest, folding upward except the top lines. Same here. Upward and backward. We will glue the tabs and assemble the basket later like this. This is the inside of the basket. Have the inside facing up. We will glue the wavy strips on. Apply glue on the glue tabs and hold together till glue is dry. Same to the other side. The basket is done. Get the handle pieces. Glue the decorative panel on. Have this side up and fold all the lines upward. We will stick the handle like this. Glue the 2 handles together, make sure align well. This is the egg stand. Flip it over and fold along the lines. Glue and done. Easy peasy. For the grass pieces, this is how we're gonna put everything together. The handle will sit in the basket, slide it in, put the grass in, the egg holder will go in last. Everything fits in well in the basket. We just need to glue them all together. The bottom and the sides will stick with the basket. Apply glue inside the basket. Slide the handle in. Press it to secure. Next is to glue the grass. Push the egg holder in. No need to glue the egg holder. Same to the other side, just gonna put glue on the grass. I put glue on the wrong side. Luckily it's double-sided card, just gonna fold to the other way and glue. Check the corners are aligned. Look this cute little basket. Just need to add some flowers. We should have 5 flower pieces in 3 colors each. Use finger or a pen to bend the petals. Stack 3 together. Put a dab of glue in the center and glue. You could stack same colors or different ones together. Use 2 instead of 3, mix it up. Tweezers are handy here. Sometimes my fingers just can't pick up some small pieces. I have these beads, just gonna use them on the flowers. They are looking pretty. Glue the flowers wherever you like. I'm gonna put 2 on the handles. Avoid middle of the handle because it will be tricky to carry the basket. How cute is this? The final step is to put the eggs in. The basket fits 20 grams Kinder eggs or any 2 inches wide eggs. They are ready to go. This is another basket I made using pattern card and more flowers. The pattern cards make the basket very colorful and certainly brings sense of spring. Take this cute basket to visit family or friends this Easter. You will instantly make you their favorite person. Thank you for joining me again. Hope you have fun.